Imagine this. You walk into a restaurant in another country. The waiter comes to your table and asks, "What would you like to order?" Suddenly, you don't know what to say. Don't worry. Today, we will learn the exact English sentences you need at a restaurant.
Welcome back to Brother English. I'm Alex.
And I'm Jamie. Today we're going to practice restaurant English. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to ask for a table, order food and drinks, make polite requests, pay the bill confidently. First, let's listen to a real restaurant conversation. Just listen and imagine you are there.
Good evening. Welcome to Bella Restaurant. How many people are in your party?
Just 2, please.
Right this way. Here is your table.
Thank you.
Here are the menus. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like a glass of water.
And I'll have an iced tea, please.
Great. I'll be right back.
That conversation was simple and natural. Now let's learn the important expressions. The first sentence you heard was, "How many people are in your party?" This means, how many people are eating together?
You can answer like this. Just 2. 3 people. Table for 4, please.
Another useful sentence is, "I'd like." This is a polite way to order food. Example: I'd like a burger. I'd like a salad.
Now let's practice speaking. Repeat after us. Table for 2, please.
I'd like a coffee.
Could I see the menu?
Excellent. Speaking slowly helps your pronunciation. Now let's continue the restaurant conversation. This time, they will order food.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
And I'll have the cheeseburger.
Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please.
Perfect. Your food will be ready soon.
Great. Now let's learn one more important situation. Paying the bill. When you finish eating, you can say, "Could we have the bill, please?"
Or you can say, "Check, please."
These are polite and common expressions. Now it's your turn. Let's practice together. Imagine you are at a restaurant. The waiter asks, "What would you like to drink?" Pause the video and answer.
Now the waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?" Pause and answer.
Finally, ask for the bill politely. Pause and speak.
Today you learned how to speak English at a restaurant.
You practiced ordering food, asking for drinks, and paying the bill.
These conversations will help you travel with confidence.
Remember, polite English opens doors.
Practice daily, speak confidently.
See you in the next episode of Brother English.